This thing's a beast. It's oil lubricated pump. It's got a drip. There's the guy. There's water in the pump too. I didn't even know she was dripping. She needs something. A little bit of RTV. Yeah, see, that's brand new oil I just put in there, and she's already white. She's got water in there. And I didn't even know she was dripping. Until, well, I knew she was dripping before, but where at? Look at that, look at that. Where's that dripping at? There's no holes. It's probably got a crack in it. That's not good, but it's got quick recovery time. That's quick recovery time. I gotta do something about this oil leak though. You can see that it's white. So I'm thinking, so it's definitely coming out of that bolt. Put some RTV on there. Shouldn't have to worry about that, but I'm gonna have to change that oil out again. That's my new compressor, pretty much. Well, new to me.